we need to save from the demonic diet. Second, we need to be saved from the devilish blinding. Third, we need to be saved from the devilish seduction of the idol worship. Fourth, we need to overcome from the hindering people saying the ruling of the heaven. Fifth, we need to overcome from the ignorance concerning the result of debauchery before God. Sixth, we need to overcome from the subtlety of providing to be faithful to the worshiping God.
Amen. Praise the
The principle of the Lord's Supper is seen revealed as they became overcomers because they never forgot who they were. Even in the situation of captivity, they know they were God's people. That's why even their names were changed. They knew who they were. Their names depict who they are. They belong to God. If we are this kind of people, we will always overcome the temptations and the devices of the enemy.
Amen.